Behind the fires, slabs similar to the boats seen earlier were piled and assembled so as to form shelters that looked quite comfortable. In the camera's field of vision, no trees could be seen. Perhaps they did exist, because I had noticed green patches earlier as we flew over the continent. From between two huts, some little black pigs appeared, pursued by 3 furious yellow dogs, only to disappear rapidly behind another hut. I was dumbfounded and couldn't help but wonder if I really was looking down on another planet. These humans looked like me, or rather, like Polynesians, and here were dogs and pigs. It was all more and more surprising. The sphere began to return, as did the other spheres, no doubt, that were being monitored by screens I couldn't easily see from my position. The operation return to ship was initiated, and all the spheres reabsorbed without incident, the same as before. I assumed we were about to leave again, and so installed myself comfortably in my seat, allowing the force field to restrain me thus. Some moments later, the suns of the planet appeared, 2 in number, then everything dwindled rapidly, just as it had done when we left Earth. After a time, which seemed quite short, the force field was neutralized, and I understood that I was free to get out of my seat. This was a good feeling. I noticed Thao heading towards me accompanied by 2 of the oldest, if I can say so, of her companions. I remained standing beside my seat before the 3 astronauts. In order to look at Thao, I was already obliged to raise my head, but when she introduced me, in French, to the elder of them, I felt even smaller. The latter was easily a head taller than Thao. I was completely astonished when she, by Astra, spoke to me correctly, although slowly, in French. She placed her right hand on my shoulder, saying, "I am delighted to have you on board, Michel. I hope that all is well with you, and that it continues to be so. May I present Latoli, the second in charge of our spacecraft, myself being what you would call Commander-in-Chief of the Altora." Turning to Latoli, she spoke a few words in her own language, and Latoli too placed her hand on my shoulder. With a warm smile, she repeated my name several times slowly, as would someone who had difficulty pronouncing a new language. Her hand remained on my shoulder, and a feeling of well-being, a definite fluid sensation, passed through my body. Altora, in their language, is the name given to their super long-distance spacecraft. Author's comment.